How's it going, guys? This is my 97 Toyota T100. It's 3.4 liter. As you can see, it's standard 5-speed. I wanted to show you guys. I've been watching some videos, people making their truck straight pipe, so I went ahead and did it, and I like it. Not quiet at all. So if you want it to be quiet, don't do it. Just gonna go ahead. I got somebody that's got pipe that I could buy for about like $30, and I'm gonna use this pipe bender and bend it all up and get around my axle and everything and bring it out the back, and I'm going to spray paint it black. Well, just the tip. I'm going to spray paint the tip black. Not even going to worry about getting a tip for it. Just have it straight pipe. And if you use flat black spray paint, it doesn't bubble or smoke like people say it does. That's what I got on it now, and I haven't had no problems. Just so it'll prevent the rust and everything. But alright, that's what it sounds like. Take it easy.